Let me ask you something. Have you ever poured your soul into writing content, hours of effort, and when you hit publish, nothing happens? No traffic, no comments, just digital tumbleweeds. Yeah, I've been there. But here's the thing. The problem probably isn't your content, it's the order you're doing things in. See, most people start with keywords and write content around them. But what if I told you that strategy is backwards? Today, we're talking about a smarter approach, the Content-First SEO Strategy. It's how I consistently grow my traffic without gaming Google. Let's break it down. Why the old way doesn't work anymore. Most people still think SEO is all about stuffing in keywords and ticking technical boxes, but that's outdated. The internet is flooded with shallow content trying to trick algorithms. Google's smarter now. It doesn't just want keyword-matched posts, it wants content that actually helps people. Content-first SEO starts with humans. You focus on creating something worth reading, and then optimize it for search. That's the game changer. Know your audience. First, before you write a single word, ask, who am I helping? If you don't know your readers' problems, frustrations, or goals, your content won't land. Let's say your audience is solopreneurs who struggle with focus. Your content should solve that. Example, 3 simple shifts to stay focused when you're building a business alone. You're solving a real problem. No keyword research needed yet. That's step 2. Then and only, then bring in SEO. Now that your content actually serves your audience, now you can fine-tune it for SEO. Add your keyword to the title. Drop it into one H2 header. Use it in your meta description. Maybe once in the intro and conclusion. No need to overdo it. Google is smart. Relevance and readability matter more than robotic repetition. Also, don't forget the basics. Use short paragraphs. Keep your tone human. Break it up with headings, bullets, and images. Make sure your site loads fast and works on mobile. SEO is the polish, not the paint. Use real-life stories and analogies. Here's what separates just okay content from content that hits. Personality. Don't just write like a Wikipedia page. Tell stories. Use analogies. Talk like you're having a drink with a mate. Instead of saying consistency matters, say treat your blog like a gym membership. You can't get fit from one workout. It's what you do every week that counts. Now you're relatable, memorable. That's the kind of content people stay for and share. Keep it alive, promote and refresh. Most people hit publish and then move on. Number that post is a digital asset. Once it's live, share it across socials. Turn it into carousels, reels, and email content. Link to it from other posts. Pitch it to other blogs or communities, and every 3 to 6 months, go back and refresh it. Add new stats. Update examples. Keep it relevant. Google rewards freshness, and so does your audience. Let's bring it all home. Content. First, SEO is the long game, but it's the one that wins. Here's your blueprint. Start with your audience's real problems. Create valuable, human-first content. Optimize it with light, smart SEO touches. Promote the hell out of it. Keep it updated and relevant. This isn't about chasing algorithms. It's about building trust, authority, and traffic that sticks. If you found this helpful and you want more insights to grow your digital presence, the smart way, not the spammy way, then head over to andrewplimmer.com. You'll find guides, strategies, and behind-the-scenes breakdowns to help you build a business on your own terms. And if you're stuck, drop a comment, shoot me a message. Thanks for watching. Now go create content that actually matters